All right. FEC's number 218. And here I am at Flamingo Drive with an old signal cantilever in the back. And they're making him come into the siding at West Palm Beach. I don't know why. What's cool about this crossing is that this signal right here, base, is still standing with that other one in the back. And you'll see why later on. With the number lights burning. The bottom end is past me at 8:43. And this is the reason why that concrete signal base is there. Check out the train as it goes down the FEC main line. If you look at this signal right here, she's an oldie but beauty. You can probably hardly see her. It's a signal cantilever. You can probably see it. I got pictures of her too. But that's an old one that's been here forever. And the telltale of the signal base. It's BVT 609 here at Flamingo Drive on the Florida East Coast main line. Have a safe trip to the cruise of 222 and 218. First time catching that train. Look, listen, and live. Out.